we are on the way to our first car event. It's out in Kelowna. I'm excited to see how they show up and show out compared to where I'm coming from.
Prime time X. Hey, who the fuck would've thought I would next? Brought out these diamonds just so I could flick. When I open my map and the pussy get wet. These diamonds surprising like Russian roulette. Might just go by a limb, I couldn't fit in the bed. I can't go with my pole, I put this on the set. If I do when I live, I'ma spin with that yet. Hey, 19 on the hearse selling crack. Once I double my